You've got a Tesla, you love it. It's sleek, it's fast, it's the future. But let's talk about the less glamorous side, charging. You've probably used a supercharger, maybe even a few times. You know how insanely fast they are, how convenient they are. So, ever wondered, hey, can I just buy one of those and put it in my garage? Good question. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's get one thing straight. You can't just buy a supercharger. It's not like ordering a new set of wheels. Tesla has a very specific strategy for where they place superchargers, and it's all about maximizing charging efficiency for their customers. So, while it might seem like a golden goose, it's not something you can simply purchase for your personal use. But what if you own a business? A restaurant, a hotel, a shopping mall? Here's where things get interesting. Tesla is actively seeking locations to expand their supercharger network. By hosting a supercharger, you're not just getting a fancy charging station, you're attracting Tesla owners who are more likely to stop, spend, and come back. So, how do you become a supercharger host? Well, it's a process. You need to have a suitable location with enough space, good electrical infrastructure, and a decent amount of foot traffic. Tesla has specific criteria they look for in a host site. Think of it like applying for a really cool business partnership. The first step is to reach out to Tesla. They have a specific process for potential hosts. You'll likely need to provide details about your property, its location, and the kind of business you run. Tesla will then assess your site to see if it meets their standards. Once you're approved, the installation process begins. Tesla handles everything from the equipment to the installation. You don't have to lift a finger, except maybe to guide the construction crew to the best spot. And the best part? Tesla covers the entire cost of installation and maintenance. That's right, you get a state-of-the-art charging station without spending a dime. But hosting a supercharger isn't just about the money. It's about being part of the electric future. You're providing a valuable service to Tesla owners, and in return, you're getting more foot traffic, increased visibility, and a touch of futuristic cool for your business. Now, there are other options for charging your Tesla at home or on the go. Home chargers are great for daily use, and there are public charging networks expanding rapidly. But if you're looking for a way to supercharge your business, becoming a supercharger host might be the way to go. It's a win-win situation. Tesla gets to expand their network, you get a free charging station and more customers, and Tesla owners get faster charging options. It's a match made in electric vehicle heaven. So, if you've got a business and you think it might be a good fit for a supercharger, don't hesitate to reach out to Tesla. It could be the start of a fantastic partnership. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.